Hi, welcome to another new video, and today we are going to walk through a video that is how to change your domain name. So as you can see, we already have a domain which is provided by Wixsite. So we just want to change the name of the domain. So first of all, we need to go on the site dashboard, click on site, and you will walk through the down and you will find out my dashboard. Just click over here and it will be redirect you to the dashboard panel. So here you can see we have an option. Just scroll down and you will find out setting in the left corner. Just click over here and here you will find out more options. So here you need to be click on site domain and SEO option. Here you will find out website setting. Just click again here and then you have the option to change your site name, site address, URL, title on Google and browser tab, and furthermore, or also you can add your own branded domain here. But in this video we are going to change our domain name, so for that reason we will walk through only it. So you can see my name is my site 2, so I will give a name that will be easy and iconic like e-commerce. So after write down this, I will click on the save. Once I click on the save, it will take a while and it will be update my name. And then if I visit the place, if I visit the website, then I will find out that my website name has been changed. So let's go and check this out. Go all setting, and then this is our site list, and right now you can see if I click here, you will find out the link here is connected with e-commerce. So whenever you will visit, the name has been changed for all ever. So you can do your stuff by this processing. So I hope you will love this video. If you love the video, then hit the like button, and also you can comment on the comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.